welcome back to our channel. So today we have come with a new topic, and today's topic is solution. We know that we have to address a solution people, so there are about 5 solutions in English. So here we go. So at first we have Mr. We all know that we use Mr. to solution maths. As for example, Mr. Karim is a businessman. Here, Karim is a man, that's why we solution by Mr. And the second one is Mrs. We know that we all can say Mrs. to the married woman. Any kind of married woman who has been recently married or is married for years. So as you can say that Mrs. Karim, like Mr. Karim's wife is Mrs. Karim or Mrs. Shahana and Kings. And also we have Miss. We can use Miss for unmarried women or young women in the life. So as you know that Miss Lily is starting in class 8 or 9. And also we can use Miss to address those women who doesn't want to express that they are whether married or not. Like they want to express if they're married or not, so we can use Miss for them. Like Miss Shahana is our teacher. And as you know that there are a lot of transgenders too in the full world, right? So as for them, to solution them, we use Mx, like Mx Rahman or Mx King. So we can say that they are like transgender or third gender. So there are the 5 ways to solution people. I hope you guys have learned something new. Thanks for watching.